What's up, everybody? I'm Tim from Timber Ridge Gifts, back to do another unboxing and supplier review. The company we're checking out today is a company called Lab & Company. Now, if that name sounds familiar, it's because I already did an unboxing and review for them about 2 months ago. If you haven't got a chance to see that yet, I'll put the link up. Definitely make sure you check it out. But we're back to check them out again because they put out some amazing new products for their holiday line. So let's check out the new stuff they've got. So the first thing is their wooden wick sampler kit. If you're interested in making wooden wick candles, this is definitely where you need to start. This kit has basically every wooden wick that you'll need to determine exactly which wick works best for you. This is actually the same kit that I used in my wood wick testing video. If you guys missed it, definitely make sure you check it out. When you open your kit, it's going to look a little something like this. You have 4 each of every wick size they offer. I think I added it up. I think that's about 160 different wicks along with wick clips. Definitely the best place to start and everything you're going to need if you're interested in trying your hand at wooden wicks. And the best part is, these actually ship free anywhere in the continental U.S. Next we have Cocoa Apricot Cream Wax. If you guys aren't familiar with Lab & Company, they're actually a luxury supply company. They're one of the few luxury supply companies that hobbyists or at-home candle makers can actually shop from. Now, their Cocoa Apricot Cream Wax, I actually used this in a luxury candle demo video that I did. Make sure you check it out. Hands down, some of the best wax I've ever worked with. It'll hold up to a 10% fragrance load and is by far some of the smoothest, creamiest, most brilliant white wax that I've ever worked with. Next, let's check out some of their vessels and candle containers. First is a votive candle holder. It's simply called Noel. Don't know how well it's actually going to show on the video, but it actually has a wood grain on it. It looks kind of like a birch stump. It's got a really pretty white color on the outside and a metallic silver on the inside. It's semi-translucent, so when the votive is burning on the inside, you're going to be able to see it glowing through the outside. So you can see that votive shines through, gives off a really nice glow, really shows off the color and texture of the candle holder. Next is a white bauble pinch pot. This is a 6.5-inch candle container. So you can see it's got gorgeous dimension and texture on the outside. And if the white wasn't quite pretty enough for you, it actually comes in gold as well. Next is my absolute favorite product that they offer. This is the large size snow marble pot. Super excited to make a candle out of this for my own collection. Hands down, the nicest candle container that I've ever had my hands on. You're definitely not going to be able to tell the full quality from the video, but this thing probably weighs about 5 pounds. It's about a ½ inch thick. Just has that nice, gorgeous, snowy marble look to it. Definitely one of my favorites. This is just a small sample of the candle vessels that they offer. All of the candle vessels they have are handmade by local artisans or luxury supply companies, so the supplies can be kind of limited. So if you do have your eye on something, you need to go ahead and make sure you buy it, because you never know, it may be gone by the next time you go to look for it. And next is the best part about any supply company, it's their fragrance oils. Once again, this is a luxury supply company. These are going to be some of the best quality fragrance oils that you're going to be able to get your hands on. The ones I've tried from them before were absolutely amazing. Definitely looking forward to trying these out. So first we have pumpkin. Now normally when I do a first impression, I don't read the fragrance oil description, but I just really love the way these are written, so I'm going to read their fragrance oil description for each of their fragrance oils. So for the pumpkin fragrance oil, they set the mood as warm and spicy, with top notes of orange, middle notes of pumpkin, persimmon, clove, allspice, and ginger, with base notes of sugar and vanilla. They describe it as fresh pumpkin and fruit with just the right amount of spice and sweetness, rounded out with a light dose of vanilla. So let's check out pumpkin. Definitely doesn't disappoint. It's one of the best pumpkins that you're ever going to find. It's got that traditional pumpkin scent to it, but it also has that warm, buttery, bakery smell to it. It definitely has that traditional pumpkin scent that you're going to be used to, but it's not going to be overly spiced like you find with a lot of pumpkins. And to finish it off, it's got a really nice, warm, buttery, bakery scent to it. Next, we have frankincense and myrrh. They describe the mood as mysterious and sacred, with top notes of orange, camphor, middle notes of vanilla, clove, and cedarwood, with base notes of frankincense, myrrh, and patchouli. They describe it as mysterious and captivating, reminiscent of a great European basilic or a secret sacred altar. So let's check out their frankincense and myrrh. Smells really great. I was expecting not to like it, because most frankincense and myrrhs that you get a hold of are basically just a really sharp, overpowering patchouli scent. This has actually got a really nice musky cologne scent to it. Definitely something you'd want to add to your holiday line of candles. Last but not least, we have juniper and balsam spruce. Let's see what they say about it. They describe the mood as fresh and woody, with top notes of cold mountain air, lemon peel, eucalyptus, with middle notes of green apple, juniper, and fir balsam, with bottom notes of cinnamon, pine wood, and musk. And they describe it as a fresh breath of mountain air. Eucalyptus and lemon peel meet with musky pine wood and sweet cinnamon for a refreshing, invigorating combination. So that's a lot of notes mixed into one fragrance. Let's check it out. It smells amazing. I'm definitely impressed. Of all the pine or Christmas tree scents that you've ever smelled, this one is definitely going to blow them away. Probably one of the only ones I've ever found that actually smells like a real tree. Most of the pine or Christmas tree scents that you're going to find, they kind of have that fake air freshener scent to it. But this one smells like the real deal, like you're actually walking through a Christmas tree lot. Hope you guys enjoyed this review of Lab & Company. I will leave their website link in the video description. Definitely make sure you go check them out. They have a ton more to offer. This was just a fraction of the supplies they offer and just a small sampling of the new holiday line they've got. So definitely head over to their website, check out the rest of what they've got to offer. If you do happen to place an order, make sure you tell them that Tim from Timber Ridge Gifts sent you there. If you guys want to see more of Lab & Company, make sure you follow the links that I'm putting up right there. These are videos that I've done using their products in the past. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you know when new videos come out. Thanks for watching, everybody.